I've got a secret to share with you. It's not too late to put your garden in. This is Canada Day weekend. We still have some time. Come on, let me show you what I'm talking about. It is warm today, but there's a lot of smoke in the air, so I'm going to go in the house and we'll talk about this. So there's a couple of angles to this secret. One, you need to know your average first frost date, and that's an average. So you got to be prepared to lose some if we get an early frost, but an average first frost date. And mine is middle of September, late September, and you can find yours by going to almanac.com. I'll leave a link in the description and I'll put it right here on the screen. And knowing that allows you to estimate how many days until your last frost date. I also have another cheat. I use a countdown app in my phone. I'll show you some images from that right here, and you can see how long it's been since my chicks hatched. You can see how long it is until the frost date. You can even see how long it is since we've lived on our homestead, or how long until Christmas. I'm not affiliated with them. I just love this app. I use it for a lot of things. I used it for planning my wedding, getting down to the last few weeks. It's great for tracking weight loss or first frost or last frost when you want 8 weeks before your last frost so that you can start seed starting indoors or all kinds of various things. And the next thing is knowing how to read a seed package. I did a video on that a while back. I'll link that in, but I'll give you a few more details right here to how it pertains to this video. I have a packet of cucumbers. I didn't think that I'd be able to get cucumbers and plant them the 1st of July and have a crop. But when I look at this right there in the green lettering, it says 67 days to harvest. Looking at my app, I still have 91 days today. So 90 days, tomorrow will be Canada Day, 90 days tomorrow. Fantastic. So I should be able to get cucumbers in 67 days. Let's see how that goes. And you know what? This package cost me $2.19. If I don't get cucumbers, I'm not heartbroken. I'm willing to accept that. Everyone assumes that corn on the cob comes in August or early September, but look at this. 75 days. I still have plenty of time to plant that. And planting corn in 2-week successions gives you 2 weeks of corn and then a couple of days off, and then 2 more weeks of corn and a couple of days off. And if you plant a little plot every now and again, you'll have a continuous crop of corn. So this needs to go in this weekend. This package of beets shows 57 days. We have 90 days. I can grow almost 2 crops of this. Different kinds of packages and different types of seeds, different types of, like carrots, for example. I have a Scarlet Nantes and I have a Chantenay Rouge. So different types may have different dates on them. This one says 72 days. Can you see that? This one's marked on the front, and it says 68 days. So I still have time to grow carrots. Carrots is the one thing that I was disappointed I haven't had time to get in. I've got time. And I figured I didn't have time for this. This is cabbage. So I can't plant my cabbage now. It's too late for cabbage, but that's 100 days. I have some cabbage in the garden. I'll just have to accept it. So there you go. Canada Day is not too late to plant some crops. Maybe the civic holiday, the 1st of August, that would be my cutoff point. I wouldn't want to put anything in after that because that's 60 days and you have to be really picking and choosing. You might be able to get in some radish. This package of radish suggests it takes 24 days. Radish in the fall, who knew? 64 days for peas. I might be able to do that the first weekend of August. Check out when your first frost date is and check out those seed packages, and maybe it's not too late to try to put something in the ground and get it started now. You still have 90 days. Thanks for sharing this secret with me. You want to know another one? I'd love it if you hit that thumbs up button and if you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for sticking around. See you next time.